we doing? Do you see this? Does she live here?
I don't get that shit is weird. I didn't do shit. Oh my stuff, bro. You know what I think?
Go.
A man called 911. His girlfriend hung up the call 3 times. She then admitted everything to police on camera. Only 1 charge was filed that night. Was it enough?
Whoa. What are we doing? Do you see this?
I'm not going over, bro.
What is going on?
I'm not.
She just won't leave. Okay, does she live here?
No, officer, no. No. See, somebody was just I ain't want things to turn out bad. She cut herself. Then she gonna say she was gonna call us and it's on me. I got the thing she cut herself with.
No.
Come here.
No, I'm not going over.
Hey, no. Hey.
Leave me alone. I'm not going over, bro.
Stop.
I'm not going
Stop.
over.
We're not doing this.
Can she actually put your clothes
I'm
on?
saying, like,
Yeah,
you're off me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Stop. You're about to get charged. Stop.
Okay.
No, because you got me fucked up, bro.
You got it.
Return my shit, bro. That's it.
You got blood on me.
Jail take her just like this.
Stop.
I don't get that shit is weird. I didn't do shit.
Hey, we're gonna take her down to the car. We'll be right back.
No, all my stuff, bro. You want to eat my thing?
Go.
Here you go. Here we go with it.
What about I'm going to put you in custody?
Have you in custody?
I'll get some heat on. What's your first name? What's your first name?
Lamarian.
What?
Lamarian.
How do you spell it?
Lamarrea.
Lama. Why are we? What's going on?
Because he saw something in my phone.
Okay.
And I tried to explain to him, but he kept getting frustrated and mad, throwing me around. So I hit him. Because he kept throwing me, kept pushing me for no reason. I was just trying to show him. He's like, I don't want to listen to him. I don't give a fuck. So when he kept pushing me, I kept hitting him back for it. And he kept getting angry. He was like, okay, I'm going to call the police. Because I told him what he did to me. I was going to call the police about him. And they came before me because the neighbors called the police on him. And she kept asking me, did he put his hands on me? And I said no.
Did you try and take his phone from him when he was calling 911?
I did.
Okay.
I was like, I'll talk to him. Des Moines.
Everyone in custody?
I'm grabbing all my things.
Alright, man, tell me what's going on tonight.
It started when
You want to talk out in here or out here?
I'll talk out here.
Alright. So tell me what's going on with her.
So, man, they went out. It was drinking, man. So, again, she went down there because, you know, he ain't had no ride home. It was weird. So, I seen something on her phone. I told her, like, I don't want to be there no more. You know what I mean? And she was getting loud. It was officers here first because, you know.
So we've already been out here once?
Yeah, because argument. So
Okay.
they come. They asked us, I told them, like, it's an argument. At first, I didn't think it was really a big deal. Then I get back in the crib, man. We coolin'. And I just told her, like, just don't come. You know, I don't want to come. You know, I'm trying to go to sleep. You know what I mean? And so she get to saying, she go call him back and say, I did all that. And, you know, I don't want none of that on my record in my life.
Yep.
Because I got things I'm working towards right now. And so I was like, I'm going to just call him. And just see, you could go home. I don't want to go to jail or not. I just want
So who is she to you?
That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
Thanks now.
How long you guys been together?
Really not even that long. Like I'm now.
Okay. Does she stay here with you? Live here?
Mm-mm.
Where does she live at?
She lives, it's on my phone. So she'll tell you down there though.
Okay. You have ID, man? I have to get your information.
I'm sorry, I do not have
Okay,
anything.
that's fine. We can write it down this way.
Thank you.
So you guys are out drinking, came back here. What did this whole dispute, like, what was it over?
I wasn't drinking at all.
Well, she was? Yeah. So you said you guys were out, she was drinking. End up coming back here because you didn't have a ride, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just get on the first thing because you're arguing. What are you guys arguing over?
Because the text messages, and I was like, I don't want to be together.
Another girl or?
No, she was texting other man, and I was like,
Oh, she was texting someone else.
yeah, and I was
Gotcha.
like, I just don't want to be with her no more.
Okay. And you're basically calling her out, whatever, spout. They came out, dealt with it. What did they tell you?
See, I wasn't going back and
Yeah.
forth.
What did they tell you, though, the other officers?
They was like, they just asked what was going on. I just told them it was a minor, argument.
Okay. So what escalated it to this now? Because you called us.
Mm-hmm.
So what was going on now?
Because when I was in the room laying down, officer, I was on my phone, and I was going to go to sleep. She said, come cuddle with me. And I don't want to do that after that big argument in the police, you know what I mean? That's not me. So then she got to get out on me, and she was like, you know what, I'm finna call him and say you did that, and you cut me and all that. I'm like, no, I'm not finna play that crazy game, because as you can see, she already crazy as it is. And I'm like, I don't even want to escalate it like that, so I'm going to call. And while I'm on the phone trying to call her, she hanging up and stuff like that. That's why I had to call me back like 2 more times.
So when you called us, was she trying to take the phone away from you? Okay. So you're trying, actually, did you call 911?
And as you can see, as I'm coming out.
Did you call 911?
Yeah.
And so as you're talking 911 dispatch, she's trying to rip the phone away from you?
Yeah.
Okay. And then she kicked you coming out here. Did she hit you any other times or do anything else to you?
No.
Okay. Do you want to do anything about her kicking you?
I don't want to press no charges off. Okay. I just want
Nothing with the TV either? She busted the TV in there.
Nah.
You want no charges though?
No charges, officer.
Okay. So, okay, man. You have any other questions for me? Why don't we grab her shirt, pants, whatever you need. I'll take her phone. Mind if I step in with you?
Yeah.
All right. That's what I'm grabbing is whatever clothes she has. Thank you. He doesn't want to be a victim to anything. I think that's yours.
Okay.
Boyfriend, girlfriend, about a month. She doesn't live with him.
He doesn't want to be a victim for getting kicked in the face.
Nope, not for the TV, not for being kicked in the face. She was herself earlier tonight, and I think yesterday said, yep, that's all we got. I don't have her name or anything yet, do you? Okay. What's your first name? If I bring your clothes on and you play nice, I'll let you put your clothes on? Yeah? Alright. Nope, she needs to slide her pants on. Her hoodie can go over her while she's cuffed. And I'll give her her shoes. you want to step right here, I hope you can put your pants on. I feel you'd rather not be in your underwear in the back of the car. Go and stand up for me. Alright. I'm going to slide those on. Got it? Alright, have a seat in the car. Thought at first she was trying to kick us, but it was just the TV.
Yep. This is random coming out. Smoking.
You're only getting charged with the interference tonight. I don't know if he told you.
Hung on. I'll put this. We were all just.
Hey man, you gonna step outside for
Him
me,
and I
please?
rewatched our Bodycam.
How you doing? I'm gonna take down cuffs real quick. What's your name? Romario? Man, you look familiar. I don't know from where. How old are you? 18. Did you go to East? When did you go to? Kingdom. Is this your first time you go to jail? Second? Can we make it the last time we do that? Yeah, we need to work out on that one. I don't like transporting young people to jail. It's not, you know what I mean?
Warning issue.
Let's go to the wagon. Hey, did you guys put her down real quick?
She was originally in just underwear, so there's nothing wrong.
Alright. You're my partner anyway in this crime, so we good.
Iowa law provided stronger legal tools than officers applied. Under what circumstances is the decision not to use them legally acceptable? And when does it become an unaddressed statutory obligation? Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,989. The constitutionality of force is not evaluated in hindsight. It is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, based solely on the information and resistance level present at that moment. Berkhammer v. McCarty, 468 U.S., 420, 1,984. And Oregon v. Mathieson, 429 U.S., 492, 1,977. Voluntary statements made before formal custodial arrest require no Miranda warning. The subject stated, "I hit him and I did on scene," before any advisement. Both admissions are fully admissible as evidence under established doctrine. Peyton v. New York, 445 U.S., 573, 1,980. A warrantless arrest at a private residence requires exigent circumstances. An active domestic disturbance with a reported assault and ongoing physical resistance satisfies that constitutional threshold under this precedent. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S., 318, 2001. The Fourth Amendment does not prohibit full custody arrest for misdemeanor offenses. A custodial arrest for interference with official acts under Iowa law is constitutionally valid on this basis. Iowa Code Section 719. One interference with official acts knowingly obstructing a peace officer in any lawful duty constitutes a simple misdemeanor. Both required elements, knowledge and intentional act, were satisfied by the subject's own admissions. This is the charge filed. It is not the only charge available. Iowa Code Section 708 2A domestic abuse assault between intimate partners constitutes domestic abuse under Iowa law. Causing bodily injury elevates the offense to an aggravated misdemeanor. Probable, because for this charge existed independently. It was not filed. Iowa Code Section 236. 12 Mandatory Arrest Authority, Iowa. grants officers the authority to arrest for domestic abuse assault independent of victim preference when probable cause is established. In cases involving physical injury, this authority may constitute a legal duty, not a discretionary option. Iowa Code Chapter 278A, Enhanced 911 Emergency Telephone System Access to Emergency Services, is a protected statutory right in Iowa. Deliberate and repeated disconnection of a 911 call during an active domestic confrontation constitutes a standalone criminal offense under this chapter. Legal lesson: pre-custodial admissions. A subject who speaks openly before formal arrest provides the prosecution with admissible evidence that no warrant, no subpoena, and no court order could have compelled. Silence after a domestic incident is a protected constitutional right. Exercising it is legally sound. Legal lesson: the Mandatory Arrest Framework Section 136.12 exists because legislatures recognized a documented pattern. Domestic violence victims frequently decline to pursue charges for reasons unrelated to the severity of the conduct. Under Iowa law, probable cause is the legal threshold. Victim preference is a factor, not a veto. The charge filed was the minimum the evidence supported. A more serious charge under Section 708.2a was available and arguably required under Section 236.12. Whether officers had a legal duty to file, it depends on departmental policy not visible in this footage. That question remains unanswered. Keep watching.